Okay, let's see what you remember about radicals. So remember, if the index is not shown, it's assumed to be square root. So this would be the square root of 9 plus square root of 25. 3 plus 5 is 8. So cube root, these are both perfect cubes. This is a cube because it's divisible by the index. 8 is 2 cubes, so it'd be 2x to the 5th. Try these 3 and see what you remember, and then turn me back on. So here you have to break it up to what perfect square is in 75, and that's 25. 3 is left over. X of 15th, it needs to be divisible by 2 to be a square root. So it'd be x of 14th. X, the square root of 3x can't do anything with, but 25 is 5. X to the 14th would be x to the 7th. This one, 4th root, so this has to be divisible by 4. Doopy-doo. So 21 is not divisible by 4, but 20 is, you'd have x left over. 28 is divisible by 4. So you'd have x to the 5th, y to the 7th, 4th root, don't forget the 4th, of x. So the 5th root, we'd break it up 5th root, 5th root. It's got to be divisible by 5. So it'd be x is left over, y to the 10th, y squared is left over. So it'd be x to the 6th, y squared, the 5th root of xy squared. Yay! Now see if you remember how to do those 3, and then I'll do them. Okay, so you cube both terms. 3 cubed is 27. Cube root cube cancels out the reverse operation, so you just get q. This one, you multiply the top and the bottom by square root of 3. So you get a perfect square on the bottom, so it'd be 5 square root of 3 over 3. And then this one, you bring to both terms, or distribute is what I'm trying to say. So it'd be 15 square root of 2 plus 5 square root of 4. But square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, this one you FOIL. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 square root of 3. 4 square root of 6. Oh, that is sloppy. And this would be square root of 18. 18 can be simplified. 18 is 9 and 2. Square root of 9 is 3. Can't do anything with the 2. So do these 2 for me, please, and then turn me back on. Hey, whenever you have a sum squared, you write it twice to make it nice. So it'd be 2 times 2 is 4. 2 square root of 5, 2 square root of 5 is 4 square root of 5. And square root of 5, square root of 5 is square root of 25. And the square root of 25 is 5. So that'd be 9 plus 4 square root of 5. Okay, go ahead and do these 3, and then turn me back on. Okay, so this you multiply the top and the bottom by the term, just switching the middle sign. Some teachers call it the conjugate, but I was always taught conjugate only matters with I. Alright, so it'd be 3 minus square root of 5 over 3 and 3 is 9. 3 square root of 5 minus 3 square root of 5 is 0. Minus square root of 25, but square root of 25 is 5. So it's 3 minus square root of 5 over 4. And this would be square root of 50. 50 is 25 and 2. So it'd be 5 square root of 2. This one would be square root of 25, square root of 3, square root of 100, square root of 3. So it's 5 square root of 3 plus 10 square root of 3, which is 15 square root of 3. Okay, let's do some graphing. We're just continuing on, almost done with page 2. So this is great. Remember, if there's no inequality, there's no shading. So the y-intercept is 4, slope is negative 2, so it'd be down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. Connect the dots, solid line, and we are done. Oh, we have an inequality, so there is shading. Now, when it's in standard form, I like to do the intercepts. So 2 times 3 is 6, so the x-intercept is 3. Cover up the x to find the y-intercept. Negative 3 times negative 2 is 6. It's dashed because there's no equals. Put in 0, 0. Is 0 greater than 6? And we'd say no. So it's below the line given. This one, okay, we got an inequality. The y-intercept is 3. Slope is negative 1. Down 1, right 1. Down 1, right 1. A little bit off there. Now it's a solid line because there's equals. And I have drawn better lines. Goodness, gravity's taking effect. Put in 0, 0. Is 0 less than 3? Yepers. So this is a system. Oops, I didn't make the coordinate system, and I made it diagonal. I don't like that, but we'll go with it because I'm running out of time. So we're going to graph this one. The y-intercept's negative 2. Slope is a third, so it's up 1, right 3. Up 1, right 3. And it's solid. So is 0 greater than negative 2? Yep, so it's above. Then x in the numbers of vertical line whose slope is always undefined. So it's going to go through 2. I want bigger than, so it's to the right. And where they overlap is your answer. Hey, another part down. Have a good day.